today, the 21st of April 2022. Hans Goulooze has now modified our breadboard, and he modified the control front. And another test we did today is we added experimentally 10 zener diodes of 200 volts. That means 2 kV. Actually it is about 1750 volts or 1800 volts in practice, and we increased the supply voltage, and we implemented a series resistor, which of course needs now a higher input voltage, but across the input voltage of about 2.8 or 2.9 kilovolts, and we have here now a drop over 1 mega ohm, about say 1200 volts, and this is stabilizing the whole circuitry very well. And what we see now is the screen, and you can see now that, albeit that we change the negative voltage and the drive energy of the how do you call it, pulse, the brightening pulse, or the strobe, as you might call it, and this is functioning now quite well, and the sensitivity of the scope is now being more or less stabilized by a constant output voltage. And this is the diodes in front are across the now about 1800 volts. Should be 10 times, we should be 2 kV, but apparently the diodes, or the zener diodes, are already zenering at a lower voltage, because I do not want to increase too much the current through the zeners, which is not necessary, as the whole circuitry is operating quite well now. And this control is for the brightening pulse or the strobe, the video pulse, and this is the center, left, right, and up and down. And this is for the 500 Hertz, the two stages, one for the sine wave and the other wave, and this one is for the cosine signal, which is necessary to paint a Lizard first order Lizard figure. Thank you.